Essprom. In this section, we will explore cell styles in SmartView. Cell styles allow you to format both member and data cells to match your desired visual layout. Go to SmartView Options, click on Cell Styles, and navigate to the Planning section. For example, to modify the formatting for parent members, select the parent style, then click Font. You can make the text bold, adjust the font size, and apply other formatting preferences. Additionally, you can define style precedence. To set the priority for the parent formatting, either drag or use the Move Up/Move Down buttons to adjust the order accordingly. Click OK to save the changes and then click Refresh to apply them to your sheet. Similarly, you can explore and customize the background color settings within the Cell Styles section. This allows you to visually differentiate various members or data types by applying distinct background shades. In addition to color customization, you can also apply borders to selected cells, helping to clearly define and separate sections of your report for better readability and a more professional presentation. These visual enhancements contribute significantly to the overall clarity and usability of your SmartView reports. You can repeat this process for other member types as well to apply consistent formatting across your report. Once the styles are set, refresh the sheet to see the changes take effect, allowing you to visually distinguish different member categories based on the formatting you've applied. In addition to member cells, you can also customize the formatting for data cells. For example, to modify the appearance of writable cells, select the corresponding style and repeat the same steps. Adjust the font, background color, borders, or any other desired formatting. Similarly, you can apply distinct formatting to read-only cells to clearly differentiate them from editable ones. This helps enhance the overall readability and usability of your SmartView reports. Thank you for watching, Essprom.